Attorneys representing death row inmate Richard Glossip say they have new evidence showing he's actually innocent.
Glossip's execution has been scheduled 5 different times since he was found guilty of a murder-for-hire scheme back in 1998. Our Barry Mangold is live at the Capitol with the very latest tonight. Barry?
Yeah, Amanda Carl, Richard Glossip's attorney is asking for a new hearing at the Court of Criminal Appeals to go over what he calls new evidence. And that includes a letter written by his co-defendant, Justin Sneed. Sneed was, of course, convicted of carrying out the killing that Glossip was convicted of ordering.
Match up quite well.
Supporters of Richard Glossip held a news conference Thursday to announce a new attempt at getting the death row inmate a new court hearing.
I don't think you have enough to convict him to even send him to prison, much less to be on death row.
Glossip's attorney says there's evidence that undermines the testimony of Justin Sneed, who said in court that Glossip hired him to carry out the 1997 murder of Barry Van Treese. They point to a 2003 letter where Sneed wrote to his attorney before Glossip's second murder trial. Sneed wrote in part, quote, "Do I have the choice of recanting my testimony at any time?"
He wanted to recant his testimony because he felt bad about what was going on with Rich.
Attorney General John O'Connor says Sneed was only interested in negotiating a lower sentence for himself in exchange for his testimony. Still, Glossip's attorneys say prosecutors should have brought up Sneed's 2003 letter before trial.
The information about Sneed wanting to recant was disclosed to the prosecution, and they knew it prior to the second trial.
Glossip's attorney also alleged that prosecutors told Sneed what to say in his testimony. The Attorney General does deny that. And now the Court of Criminal Appeals is considering whether or not to grant Glossip that new evidentiary hearing. Meanwhile, he is set to have a clemency hearing November 11th. November 11th. Barry Mangold, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.